stance is called Don't Come Easy. I hope you enjoy it. We're going to run through the whole video, the whole wall I should say, first with the words and the count, and then I'm going to break it down section by section. Face the front, let's do wall number 1. Weights on your left foot, we're going to weave across, over, side, behind, quarter turn, pivot, 3/4, shuffle, cha-cha, behind, quarter turn, pivot half, with a half back sweep right, back sweep left, rock back into a scissor, side together, cross, 3/4 turn left, right lock shuffle, cha-cha-cha, step back, lock back and rock, recover, 3/4 turn, ready to start. Now there is an optional turn there at the very end. You can roll back. So once you finish section 3, lock cha-cha forward, instead of walking back, shuffle back, you can step back, half turn, half lock, cha-cha, then rock back, 3/4 turn. Weights on the left foot, weave across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That last part there with the optional turn after section 3, lock, cha-cha, 1, half, 2, half, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to run through section by section, counts of 8, both with the words and then the count. Face the front with me, let's do section 1. For section 1, weights on your left foot, we're going to start with a cross weave, step over, side, behind, quarter turn. Now use your right foot, step forward, and we're going to pivot 3/4 or as far as you can go, straightening back up with a side shuffle, step together, step. Let's do that one more time with the count. Weights on your left foot, we weave across, 1, 2, 3/4, 4, pivot, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Weights on your right foot, we've just come out of a side shuffle in section 1. Now for section 2, we're going to weave behind straight into a quarter turn. Behind, quarter forward. Using your left foot, we pivot half turn. We're going to lean forward as you continue further another half, step back or as far as you can go for a half. And this is where your sweep will come from. It's nice and slow. We step back again with another sweep with your left foot, and then we're going to rock back, recover. Let's try it one more time with the count. Weights on the right, we step behind for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just swept your left foot back nice and slow for its own count. We then rock back on your left, recover your weight, and you can go behind slightly if you wish. Side scissor step, step together, cross. Now turning left, we do a quarter turn back with the right, don't step too far. Half turn forward on the left into a right lock shuffle, stepping forward, behind, forward. Now that lock shuffle is quite important to stop your body from going forward, stopping that momentum. So treat it a bit like a little anchor shuffle, step, lock, cha, and then your foot is behind for the next section. Face the 3 o'clock, let's do it with the count. Left foot's out to the side, we rock back. 1, 2, 3 and 4, quarter, 5, half, 6, lock, 7, cha-cha, 8. We're ready for the last section now. It will fall on the back wall, our 6 o'clock direction. However, we're going to do it to the front first, just so you can see what needs to happen. So let's face the front, practicing purposes, and then we'll turn it to the back. For the last section, you will officially be facing the back for wall 1. For the practicing purposes, we've done our lock, cha, forward. Now the standard option is the non-turning option. We step back, left, right. We go back with a lock, cha-cha, step, lock, step, rock back with your right foot, recover your weight on the left. Now to finish up, we have a 3/4 turn. So we're going over our left shoulder, half turn back with the right, and a quarter turn with the left foot to the side. Face the front one more time. Let's do it with the count. You've come out of your lock, 7 and 8. Walk 1, back 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is an optional turn here, replacing the walk back, back and the standard lock shuffle. And you'll be turning over your right shoulder. So once you finish section 3, you step back on the left for count 1. We then make a half turn over the right with the right foot forward for count 2. Now 3 and 4 is a sharp half turn and a lock shuffle back. It's not a gradual lock. So you want a half turn, 3 and 4. So without the stopping there, lock forward, we step back, 1, 2, half, 3 and 4. Now with that one more time, as I just mentioned, what we want to avoid is going back, half and starting the lock shuffle with a side step. You just won't get around quick enough, and it'll just help to get yourself around a lot quicker at the end if you make that half turn nice and sharp. Back, half, half lock, cha. Face the back wall. We're going to do it one more time. I'm just going to do it without the turn, and then I'm going to add the turn in. So right foot's done a lock, cha-cha forward. You should have your left foot behind. Now with the words without the turn, we walk back, 1, back and a lock, cha, back, rock, slow, recover, 3, quarter. We're now at the 9 o'clock. One more time. I'm going to add the count with the turn this time. Weights on the right foot. Left foot going back on 1, half 2, half 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This dance is called Don't Come Easy. Remember, you can take this video back to the beginning, any section you like, use the chapters, the fast forward, the rewind button, whatever works for you. This is called Don't Come Easy.